Is it playing? Whoa. Oh, it's recording! Okay. Okay.
Wait, what do you mean recording?
It's recording. Hi.
Hi. Okay.
So, what did you do today? I want to get in.
You are in! Go away!
You are in. What did you do today?
Ow.
Oh.
I went to the movies to see Flick Up, which is actually Flick Up the movie out.
Okay.
Anyway.
I went to Macomb Mall and bought this shirt. And then I bought this shirt and Jenna has it too. And then I bought this belt and this necklace and that
I bought
headband.
this ring.
And it's cute. Okay. And that's about it right now. But, oh, look at my beret. We have to look at each other. Isn't that cool? It looks gay right now because I have a headband on. So. Okay, so what's up? Oh, look at my glasses.
I know they're broken. How long does this thing go?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Who knows?
Get away!